Hello students, in the previous video we have learned direct method of direct series arithmetic mean. Okay, in this video we are going to learn shortcut method of discrete series to find out arithmetic mean. And my dear students, let me make you remember the formula of discrete series in direct method. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean is equal to summation fx by n. That is the formula in direct method, isn't it? Okay. Now let us discuss the same problem under shortcut method. Okay. So here the formula in shortcut method of discrete series is arithmetic mean is equal to a plus summation fd by n. Summation fd by n. Okay. What is a? A is equal to assumed mean. Okay. Summation fd is equal to total of deviations. Total of deviations. Okay. And when it total of deviations multiplied total of deviations from assumed mean multiplied with frequency, that is important, multiplied with frequency. Okay, multiplied with frequency, right? So here my dear students, n is equal to number of items, that is frequency, that is in this case total number of students. And let me discuss the steps. What are the steps to find out mean under shortcut method of discrete series? Step 1 is take an assumed mean. Okay. And second step is calculate deviations from assumed mean. Okay. And next, multiply the deviations with respective frequency. Okay, and denote it as summation fd, and then apply formula. What is the formula? A plus summation fd. Okay, my dear students, now let me do the problem. Okay, so here you allot one column for marks, isn't it? One column for marks. So marks is the column and it is denoted as x. It is a variable x. Okay, and next is students, that is number of students, and this is called f. Okay students, and take assumed mean. Okay, take assumed mean. So here a minus x. A means assumed mean. Okay, x means marks. So a minus, let me assume 40 as assumed mean. 40. Okay, so assume mean is 40. And my dear students, take round figure so that it is very easy for you to calculate plus or minus deviations. Okay, so a minus, and it is denoted as d. So d is for deviations. Okay, and another column is for f into d. F into d, that is fd. F into mean frequency into this one, deviations. Okay, and let me write the marks first. One is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, and what are the opposite frequencies are? Yes, I mean the students who got 10 marks, 5. And 15 students got 20 marks, 25 students got 30 marks, 20 students got 40 marks. Okay, 10 students got 50 marks, and 5 students got 60 marks. Okay, now here we are going to take this as assumed mean. Okay, so here we are writing this, isn't it? So 40 minus 10 is equal to, so here this one we are taking as assumed mean. భావింపబడిన అంకమధ్యము ఒకటి తీసుకుంటున్నాం మనం, assumed mean. Okay, now 40 minus 10 is equal to minus 30. 40 minus 20 is equal to minus 20. 40 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. And 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. 40, so here 50 is more than 40, isn't it? That is how much? 10. And 60, that is more than 20. Okay, more than, assume, I mean 60 is more than 40. And what is the deviation, that the difference between 40 and 60? 20. Okay, my dear students, here minuses are very, very important, and you have to multiply these deviations with frequency f. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, that is 30 into 5 is equal to minus 150. And 15 2s are 30, that is 300, minus 300. Okay, 25 into 10, that is equal to minus 250. And 0, 20 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. And 5 into 20 is equal to, what is that? Right, 5 into 20 is equal to 100. Okay, students, so now here these are minus, and there is no need to use plus mark, and to understand better I will use plus symbol for this. So there are two pluses. Okay, pluses are, if you total these two, that comes to 200. And when you add up all minuses, 150 plus 300, 450, 450 plus 50, 500 plus 200, so 700. Minuses are 700. So my dear students, minuses are more than pluses, isn't it? So that is, the difference is minus 500. Minus 500. Okay, students, now you calculate n. What is n? N is equal to, how many students are there? 80 students. So n is equal to 80, number of students. Okay, and what is the summation fd? That is minus 500. So let me explain each and every one by one. And now first we have to write the formula here. Arithmetic mean is equal to a plus summation fd by n. So this is the formula under shortcut method. What is a? A is equal to 40, isn't it? Summation fd is equal to minus 500, and n is equal to 80. With these figures we have to calculate. So the mean, okay, 40 plus, let me do it, 40 plus minus 500 by 80 minus 500 by 80 is equal to, when you cancel this 0 0, here it remains minus 50 by 8. If you divide 50 with 8, what do you get? What do you get? You get 6.25. 6.25. That is minus. You just remember this. This is minus 6.25. So here, if the figure is in minuses, okay, if the figure is in minuses, you have to subtract from assumed mean. That is the important thing you have to understand. So now you have to minus or subtract 40 minus, that is assumed mean, minus the result of 500 by 80 is equal to 6.25. So the answer is 40 minus 6.25 is equal to 33.75. Okay, students. So here the average marks of each student are each student are 33.75. This is arithmetic mean. Okay, students, in this way you have to work out the problems. And for you I have given 2 assignments, and the problems are same. I have already given these in for direct method, and now you are going to do the same problems under shortcut method, and these are the 2 problems. Okay, miles traveled, number of villages, and you have to find out average distance traveled by villages to buy the weekly requirements. Okay, and second problem is average number of children in each family you have to find out. So these are the 2 assignments for you to do as homework, my dear students. You must and should practice, because practice makes you perfect. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, please kindly post in YouTube channel. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.